What's up and welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that intro. Today, this puzzle is kind of cool because it is 3D printed by one of my subscribers. A guy by the name of Spy Fox sent me a whole bunch of 3D printed designs that he came up with, this being one of them. They're all jigsaw puzzles that can fit inside these little shapes here. So this is the first one we test out. We got a few. If you like this kind of content, you like these jigsaws, let me know by leaving a like. Before we get into the video though,
and it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. Get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
the Chris Ramsay U2's figure is now available for pre-order. So you can go on to u2s.com. I left the link below where you can browse this little fella. Looking very sharp. He's got the first merch. He's got the cards. He's got the shoes and the shirt and the beard and everything else. It's very cool. I couldn't have asked for a better representation of myself in a action figure. So check it out. I'll leave the link below. Once they're gone, they are gone. This is a limited run, so this is your chance to pick one up. They will be shipping in March. So good luck and thanks for all your support. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. There you have it. Look at this little thing. Amazing what you can do with 3D printing, isn't it? I feel like we're in a new era of puzzle solving with these 3D printers. Pretty nutty. So here we go. We got to fit all these pieces into here. Let's start the timer. Hope you guys are doing well today. Let's get it going. So I'm guessing there's only one way for all of this to fit into this space. I guess we'll just start anywhere. See what happens. See what kind of problems we run into. One thing that is cool is that these pieces do have an orientation. So as you can see those printed lines there, whereas on this side, they're kind of flat, which means that, you know, we've cut down the amount of options in two, as we cannot flip them around. They have to stay this way. Look at that piece. Okay. To figure out how these pieces fit, first of all. Let's see, like that one would go there. Okay. No. Let's start here. Wow. Okay. I'm having a hard time even getting two pieces in here. Okay. Boom. That is a good one. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that's weird. That is definitely that is such a specific piece I need for that here. You know what I mean? It has to cover so many angles, so it's like this, but different. So that's good, but then here, you can, oh wait, this one? Oh my God, look at that. What a fit that is. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Feel like we're getting somewhere. Yeah, Let's go. I see. Maybe. See, now we're getting into some territory where these pieces are so specific as you move towards the end. It's really a make or break. Like, you'll know right away if that piece belongs there or doesn't, because if it doesn't, you're left with something like this, and you're out of options really to fill that gap. So that's definitely a no here. Although that piece fit really well, if there's another one that kind of looks like that, that'd be great. Impossible. Something here isn't right. This all looks really right, though. Oh, wait. No, because I'm going to leave a gap here, which we can't have. That seems really good. This whole spot. See, I'm going to have a hard time believing that that doesn't fit the way it's supposed to. I will just be in denial. We're back at this spot. Oh, let's go. That's the piece that was missing. Oh, so close. Wait. I mean... Am I missing a piece? Like that fits. All right, well, we found a solution. Possibly not the right one, but it is a solution, and nonetheless. Let's just see if we can play around with these things a bit more to find a proper solution. I'm gonna get Antoine to come over here, who actually 3D printed this. Antoine, come here.
Tell me you already got this?
I don't, but I found possibly another solution.
No, that doesn't work.
It fits though.
Yeah, it does. Yeah, it's supposed to be hexagons like that,
Yeah,
but
but I mean, okay.
yeah.
So these, I guess, have more than one. So I guess that's not the correct solution. That is technically a solution because the pieces all fit, but they're supposed to, like Antoine said, create these hexagons. So let's move the pieces around here, see if we can make that happen. That's really good. There we go. Done. Yep. 10 minutes, 11 minutes. Let's go. Woo! So not only did we find a solution, we found two solutions which were very close together. This was a lot of fun. I expected this to be harder. I think the one thing that kind of helped me out throughout this was the fact that you don't have many options per piece. The pieces are so greatly different that there are a limited amount of things you can do with those pieces rather than fit them anywhere, which, you know, a lot of these puzzles, they have similar pieces. These ones are so completely different. Like you had this one, and you had this super elongated one here. Like there aren't a million options. That being said, if I took this apart right now and had to redo it, it could possibly take me longer than it took me the first try. But I'm not going to do that because I did already do it. So there you go. Boom. Well, hot dang. We did it. That was actually a great success. I feel like I may have lucked out in the beginning of that solve by finding the correct pieces. However, because there are so few pieces, as I mentioned, it feels a little bit easier because not every piece can fit where it needs to. So I guess having more pieces would have made that more difficult. Nonetheless, that was a lot of fun. I'm gonna hit up SpyFox and see if you guys can 3D print this yourself. And if so, I will leave the link below for you guys to enjoy that. And thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace.